Look at that one. Oh, it's like SeaWorld. He's gonna get wet. Look at that one. Oh. Wepa. I just wanted to like reach to hit him. Look at those ones over there. Oh, was that it?
It calmed down a little bit. You saw that?
Oh wait,
Here comes a big one. It's building up. You see how the rocks are getting full?
Yeah.
You see how they're getting full? Now watch. There it is. It's rising. It's raining out there, it looks like. Look back there. Look at that. There we go. It's going over the rocks.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Yeah. And that ship has a lot to do with it.
He's gonna get wet. Watch. Oh.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. He's giving us a show.
Look, he better run.
Oh, there goes a bird. Oh, the kid.
Look, another one. Oh.
He's good. He's waiting. Look at him.
Oh my God.
Come on, people, move.
Oh.
Move, people.
Oh, this guy in the black shirt. Wait for it.
This one's gonna get him.
Oh my God.
Couldn't come at a better time. Here we go.
Oh, it's gonna come.
Nah, they know. Look at, they're waiting for it. They're tough. Oh, they got him.
The man is up there like, I'm not gonna flip it.
Look at this guy. He wanna be tough too. Here we go.
Oh. Oh no, it's getting weak now.
Yeah, it's getting weak. Yep.
No, this side built up again, look.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy was like sitting down. Oh.
Here we go.
It's so filled up in there now.
Yeah, it is. It was, remember it wasn't like that?
There's a big wave there.
You gotta remember the ship just left yet.
Right here, look.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's kind of pushing.
It's pushing out this way.
This is a big
That's
one.
a big one. Look at that. There we go. There you go. Surfing time. Woo! It broke. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's gonna get him now, maybe?
There you go.
Nah.
No, it's not powerful enough, but look at how far it can go in there. Now you see what those rocks are there for, huh?
Yeah.
To protect you from hitting the building.
Up in there now,
Yeah. Like a little pool.
yeah, right?
Yeah.
You can go swimming in there, you won't get lost. It'll hold you in. I wanna have pictures in there.
There he comes. There's another one. Here he comes. 3 or 4.
Oh, he's gonna get wet now. The guy taking the picture, look. Look.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
missed him.
He missed him, yeah. There you go, Jack. Look.
That'd be a great picture if you got one. Oh.
There you go. Look. Look at that. Look at that.
Good.
That is awesome.
Get him wet, get him wet.
Hit him wet. Listen to you. Oh, almost. This is a big one. There we go. The big push.
Oh,
This is a big show.
like the shampoo was out.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, no. Oh. It's like all this white water, like clear in the basement. Oh.
Ah, you smell the fish?
Well, it's gonna hit us in the head. Wow.
Yeah.
Look, we have another big one coming.
There you go.
Oh, this might get him now.
I don't feel like going back to work. I want to stay here. Just kidding.
Wow.
Gotta work in order to have this.
Look, I can still see the carnival. They take it a long time to get up.
Oh, they did.
She pulled him.
She pulled. You're so sad.
Like, Johnny, get out of the way.
Oh, Johnny. I don't want you to get wet, Johnny.
Yeah.
We should go down there and try to get wet.
There's stairs over there.
I know. We could go down there.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. I'm done. We got a good